Good afternoon, everyone. As we were discussing about comparing and ordering of what फ्रैक्शन, हम लोग कंपेयरिंग और ऑर्डरिंग सीख रहे थे फ्रैक्शन की. देखिए, कंपेयरिंग हो, ऑर्डरिंग हो, ऐड करना हो, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना हो, एनीथिंग वॉट एवर in case of fraction, first thing that we have to do is that we have to make the given fraction into like fraction. इतनी सी बात दिमाग में रख लीजिए, like fraction करना ही करना होगा, right? So in the previous session, in the previous class, we had discussed about how to compare the given fractions. Now it's time to move forward, see how we have to get orders. 4 by 5, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 3, 6 by 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fractions are there? 6, right? And we have to convert in ascending order. In which order? Ascending order, right? तो इन केस ऑफ कंपेयरिंग, भाई ऑब्वियस सी बात है, कंपेयर करना होगा तो दो लोगों में कंपेयर करेंगे या दो से ज़्यादा लोगों में कंपेयर करेंगे. बट मैक्सिमम क्या होता है कि हमने दो चीज़ें दे दी और कहा जस्ट कंपेयर इट, विच इज़ ग्रेटर, विच इज़ स्मॉलर. इज इट सो? टू ब्रदर्स आर देयर. पेरेंट देयर फादर गेव 5 rupee to one and 10 rupee to other one. So you can easily say that he gets a larger amount or she gets a larger amount. Is it so? This is called comparing. Or two men were going, two men are going, you can easily say, or you can easily tell which is fatter, which is thinner, which is tallest, which is taller, which is tall, something like this. Is it so? So in case of ordering, ascending order or descending order, the thing is same. Here also fractions are given, but in larger amount. So what you can do, you can, first of all, what we have to do, we have to make them like fraction. जैसे कि हमने आपसे कहा, because if you are going to make like fraction, then it will be easy for you to pick out the smallest or the greatest one, right? How to prepare, how to make them like? By taking LCM of all the given denominators. Take it 5, 4, 4, 2, 3, 5. Start with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 3, 5. 2 1s are 2 1s are 1s are 3, 5. 3, 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5. 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Clear? So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60. This is the LCM. Now what we have to do, we have to make all the denominators equal to our LCM. How? By multiplying. What number should be multiplied with 5 to make it 60? 6. Here also 6. 2. 4. Sorry. To make it 60, 12. Here also 12. By 15. 15 should be multiplied in order to make it 60. 2 by which 30, multiply with the numerator also. 3 by 3, 20, multiplied here also. 6 by this, 12, here also, multiplied. 12 fours are 48 upon 60, 30 upon 60, 45 upon 60, 30 upon 60, 60 upon 60, 72 upon 60. क्लियर? ये समझ में आया कैसे हमने किया? Good. Now see, all the denominators are equal. Clear? They are all like terms. So now how we can find the which order? Ascending order. See, by seeing the numerator we can easily find out which is the smallest one, which is the largest one. Is it so? See, 30, we can write 30 upon 60. Here also 30, repeat it. Then 45, okay. Next 48, next 60, next 72. Done? Done? This is the ascending order. Clear? In the same manner you can write the descending order, you can compare it, you can, each and everything you can do. Each and everything in the sense means ordering and comparing. Is it clear? I hope you all have understood it. So practice few of the questions which I am going to give you in PDF form. Okay, thank you.